Hey guys, what is up? It's Tuxton here. Today I'm going to be talking about Linux running on ARM chips, specifically M1 Macs. Now you may be thinking, how? That's literally not possible. Apple has made it impossible to run anything other than Mac OS on its M1 Macs. Well, not exactly, and I'm going to be showing you what I'm talking about. So down here is my 2020 M1 Mac, the original one. I've had it since April of this year. Here it is on my widescreen display. Here's me right here. In case you needed more proof, right there it says chip Apple M1. Now I'm going to switch over to my screen recording software so I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. So here I am on the macOS desktop. As you may have guessed, this process doesn't actually involve dual booting Linux on the M1 Mac. That wouldn't be possible based on the capabilities of the M1 chip. The way I did it was through virtualization, which is already crazy enough because you can't really run virtual machines on an ARM chip. For example, Parallels, it's mostly directed towards running Windows, but it actually does run Linux too. This is the most ideal way to run Linux on an M1 Mac because things like VirtualBox, VMware do not work on ARM chips for obvious reasons. The only problem is this hefty price of about $80 for this piece of software. I'm not exactly gonna blow $80 on this video, so I say let's try this. Let's try Parallels Desktop. I'm gonna get the free trial. So I haven't actually tried this before the video, so we're just gonna see how well this works. This is like a live test. So now we see a prompt to install Windows 11, except that's not what I'm gonna be doing in this video. I'm gonna be installing Ubuntu Linux. Alright, and wow, it does this all for us. This is incredible, actually. This makes it really easy. Alright, so now it looks like it made a machine already. This is crazy, actually. Let's see how well this works. Wow. Okay. Let's see. It says Parallels. It's making me make a password. Okay, so it looks like we have a lot of things happening at the same time. So far, wow, look at this. This is crazy. It runs perfectly. Oh my goodness. We can enter full screen. Like it's nothing. What? Wait. Okay, how do I get out of full screen? I don't know if you guys can see this, but over here it made like a shortcut on the desktop. Okay, so it wanted us to restart the computer. It even recognized my printer. Bro, how? This is insane. Wow, I can't believe this. This runs like magic. I don't understand. How does this work? It's literally perfect. Like, watch this. What? We'll go ahead and full screen this here. We're gonna open terminal and we're gonna do sudo apt-get install gimp. And then we're gonna let it do that and install. There we go. Oh my goodness. Wait, it's running. What? I am absolutely astounded. This is insane. It's literally a full-fledged Linux desktop. Now the problem is the free trial only lasts 15 days. But if you're willing to pay the full price, I mean, this is probably worth it. Like, look at this. Look how responsive this is. This is a VM we're running here. Like, hold on. How do I get out of here? Check this out. On the macOS dock, it shows the icons for what you have open. Like, what is this? How does this work? This is insane. Whoa, what? Wait, if you minimize on here and you click it down here. What? Obviously, this is a 64-bit ARM version of Ubuntu, but the fact that it's able to run basically any software is insane. It literally has my camera. I'm on Linux right now, and my camera is right here. My freaking webcam is on the virtual machine. We're gonna write a document here. Let's see if we can print. It has my printer! What? So I'd say the pros of this is that it can run basically any piece of software that like you wouldn't expect to run on an ARM chip. Like literally any piece of software it can run, despite it being an ARM version of Linux. It also runs basically with no issues. All the drivers work. I mean, it identifies my camera even through a virtual machine and my printer. And the cons are, there's literally no cons. There's actually no cons to this. I mean, there's not really much else to show here. I mean, I got Linux running on an M1 Mac through a virtual machine. If you guys want more cool videos like this, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. Thanks for watching and goodbye.